Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over the best retail apps for your Shopify store. So these apps are going to be meant for if you have a retail location. These apps in this video should help you and provide valuable services for your retail Shopify store, especially if you're using something such as Shopify POS and having a fully integrated system here. For each of these apps, I'll be going over their reviews, their pricing, the UI, and their features so you can understand a bit about these apps and if you want to include them on your own Shopify store. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor CalC, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. All you have to do is go to the top right here and select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to give you up-to-date calculations to show you how profitable you truly are. You're also going to get a variety of other metrics to give you a really good understanding of your business. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, and I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover CalC, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into our first app here. This one's going to be Bold Store Locator Map. Basically, it's going to allow you to bring customers to you with an interactive store locator, geolocation, and real-time directions. If we load up the UI here, you can add an interactive locator to find any store in person. This would be great as well if you have multiple stores available for your brand. It's going to make it easy for customers to find you. You can also customize each store description here, giving more details to the customers. You can add as many store locations as you need. It's also going to be a straightforward quick search to find the store the customer is looking for. You can map different location types, introduce different filters, and add extra fields. In terms of pricing, if you just have one store, it's completely free. If you have 1 to 50 stores, it's going to be $9.99 a month. And it's going to go up accordingly based on the number of stores that your locations have. In terms of reviews, it's at an excellent 4.6 stars with 354 5-star reviews. So the next app I'm going to look at is Retail Barcode Labels. Those allow you to design and print barcode labels for your products in just 3 steps. So you can create labels which suit your branding and usage purposes, which support various paper sizes, styles, and barcode formats. So you can design your labels without any coding skills here and set it up any label that any printer can support. Basically, you're going to create your label with the templates provided. You can allow for custom colors, size, and fonts, and add as many meta fields as you're looking for. In terms of pricing for this app here, it's going to be free for up to 200 labels per month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of labels your store needs to print. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 42 5-star reviews. The next app is going to be a little similar. This one's going to be a QR code generator. The best part about this app is it's also going to be completely free. So you can create unlimited free QR codes with unlimited scans. So you can link them to anything in your store from different products, collections, pages, blog posts. And when these QR codes are scanned, you're going to get detailed analytics in Shopify as well as Google Analytics. As you can see, it's fully going to be integrated with your store. You can customize things from the color in the URL, and you're going to get rich analytics here, as well as being able to create dynamic QR codes. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 7 5-star reviews, and it is completely free. So next, we'll take a look at Pickup Delivery Date by PickEasy. So it's going to allow you to have easy store pickup, click and collect, and delivery time and local pickup for businesses. You can have different setups for local delivery, pickup, and shipping. And you can set cutoffs, as well as having preparation times, blackout dates, minimum order values, and zip code check. So as you can see here with the UI, when a customer is on the cart page, they can select from a variety of different options, including the as mentioned local delivery, store pickup, or standard shipping, depending on what your store offers. This is going to allow customers to get a variety of different options and choose what's best suited for them. Some customers might drive to get it right away rather than waiting for shipping times, especially if they live close. In terms of pricing for this app, there is a free 14-day trial. And the starter plan is going to start at $6.99 a month. And depending on the feature set you're looking for, it goes all the way up to $24.99 a month on the premium plan. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5 stars with 540 5-star reviews. For the last app, let's take a look at Back in Stock and Restock Alert. So with any store here, you're probably going to run out of stock for your products at a certain point in time. What you don't want to do is miss out on customers here, so you can add a Notify Me When Available button on these pages here, so a customer can simply enter in their email address and they'll get an alert when an item is back in stock. If you're a retail store as well, you could input the customer's email addresses manually, and this is going to go out automatically when the inventory is synced and updated with more in-stock items. This will be a great way here, as you can notify customers through push notifications as well as email notifications. You can also customize the email template to match the look and feel of your brand. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial on the paid plans, but there is a free plan with unlimited subscribers. You can send up to 20 emails, 500 push notifications, as well as back in stock, and things such as price drop notifications here. As you go up in price, you get more alerts, and you can also send text messages out. It's a great opportunity if you're a retail store to integrate in-person customers with your online messaging, as it's going to give you a really effective way to reach them. In terms of reviews, this app has a perfect 5 stars with 765 5-star reviews. This is going to conclude the video here on the best retail apps for your Shopify store, ranging from things such as a store locator to a QR code generator. These should help improve the functionality of your retail store as it integrates with Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. So make sure you check out the link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.